Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing today? My name is Colin, and welcome to the video. This is Top 5 Twitter Moments, number 5. So here it goes. Let's get into it. And student commits to dressing as Christmas tree for the rest of the semester. Like, oh my god. Okay, so like, more as the story develops as you just read, but like, okay, so basically this dude is, dressed him as a Christmas tree, and he's dressed him up for every year. Oh my god, I love it. Real thoughts on it? Well, I mean, like, the dude, he's got some skills, he's got some balls. I couldn't like dress up as a Christmas tree for every single year. I mean, that's just my public thing. Anyway, but yeah. Officer who stopped a van from fall. It's always number 5, but this is number 4. Officer who stopped a van from falling off bridge thinks public. Peter Martin Williams from West Yorkshire, England, has thanked the public for their words of support after he tweeted images of him clinging onto a van to stop it from falling from the edge of the Mossway Bridge. While the driver was trapped inside, he told the Radio 1 News, "I am just doing my job." Yes. And I mean, my personal thoughts on it is, good for him. Good for him. I'm glad that there's actually people out here who actually, do good things. There's a lot of evil in this world, and it sucks. So, yeah, good for him. So, yeah, kudos to you. Because there's a lot of bad people. Anyway. Cheerleader reignites. So that was number 4. But cheerleader reignites. And this is number 3. Reignites the Invisible Box Challenge. Reignites it. And nod to the Ulster University football player Dawn Hint Mine melting talent varsity cheerleader at, I don't know how to say it, Ariel or something, 21222. Showed that she can basically walk on air. Now she has a bunch of admirers trying to defy gravity with her. This is a video. So what I don't get about this is, like, this is not a challenge. Why do people like make these challenges possible? Why? Because honestly, like, a lot of this is not even like popular stuff. I mean, really, just think about it. But it's not even a challenge. Like, why is this a thing? I mean, yeah, it is popular, but so it's more what I say. But why is it a challenge? Like, I don't get it. I don't get why this thing is a challenge. So that was number 3. Loading. Sorry. Oh, good. Make sure it's still on. Sorry, guys. Anyway. So. Trump's lawyer, John Doe, Trump's lawyer John Doe takes over the Daily Show as this thing loads. After claiming to have written a tweet from Trump's account, admitting that he is the president that the president instructed Justice tweet, Trump's lawyer John Doe was invited to clear the air with these totally 100% tweets on the Daily Show Twitter's account. Hey everyone. Just basically. Yeah. So that was number 3. Number 2, interview with the cat doesn't go according to plan. Mr. Bell's daughter wrote up a juicy interview with her cat Coco. Interview with Coco. Coco, can I rub you on the top? Or the top of that? Absolutely, absolutely. Me. The back. Sure. The tummy. Yeah, yes, you are forbidden to ever touch you, forbidden to ever touch my tummy. The legs? No. The tail? Absolutely not. The butt? Is there something wrong with you? This interview is over. Yeah, so basically that's what it is. So, it's supposed to do with the auto wrote up a juicy story interview. So yeah. That is kind of thing. In my opinion on it is, well, you know, it's pretty funny and all, you know. But that was number 2. And my opinion on the last one is, I don't really got an opinion, but Trump's lawyer taking over the Daily Show. I don't really watch the Daily Show, but I think that's a pretty good, I mean, at least he has a job. I mean, I don't know if he actually wants to take it over. I don't know. I don't want to get into politics right now. Nope. A drunk man made his meal at Waffle House while the staff was asleep. When Alex Bowen walked into a South Carolina Waffle House at 3 a.m., he found a scene he didn't expect. While the staff slept, he took matters into his own hands and cooked himself a Texas bacon cheese. And you don't do that. You don't just break into anybody else's property. That's my opinion on it. You know, you don't break into other people's property. Don't. No. That's a no. No. And that was another one. And guys, that's the end of the video. And I already started making this video already, so but next video I'm gonna change it up a little bit, and I'm gonna make it like a top 10 instead.
You irrelevant, now stay in your lane. Why you be hating on my fame? We changed for the better, you stayed the same.